So one of my favorite cameras is the GoPro Hero 9. I love that it's small, and I love that I can use it for motor vlogging, but I also can use it for regular vlogging. And in fact, I went to Tennessee. I was able to record great videos. I had a blast, and I used a GoPro Hero 9. Now, I know that some cameras are better, but I also know that some of those guys hang around with like huge kind of cameras. I wanted to have something that was low profile, something that worked pretty good. So again, the GoPro Hero 9 has been really fantastic to me. I just want to show you a video here of the unboxing in case you want to get one. This is the unboxing, and this is kind of what you're going to get in the box. Now, if you're new here to the Content Creator Tools channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Really do. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified. And I'll tell you, I make videos about content creation tools, things that is going to help you become a better creator. So definitely consider subscribing.
Okay, really exciting day because I got a GoPro Hero 9 and I've been running a GoPro Hero 4 for a long time. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a nice upgrade here for the things that I use this for. So I'm just going to open it up, show it to you guys, kind of show you what you can expect out of this. Obviously, here's the box. Actually, quite fancy compared to other GoPros out there. It comes with a case, which is fantastic. And you saw here, or you see here, GoPro Hero 9. Some of the specs right here as well, telling you in the box. Here's the side. And again, I haven't really messed with it or anything like that. I'm really excited about it. So let's take this case out. And essentially what you have is this right here. Look at this. Love this because it actually save you money. You don't have to buy a case. This is something that you could just take with you anywhere. And again, I love that. So let's open it up real quick and show it to you guys. It goes this way. And this is what you get right here. I mean, I got to tell you, the presentation is amazing. It looks really nice. So in this side, we have some paperwork. Is some of the paperwork related, obviously related to the GoPro, some of the specs and things like that. A little book right here. But again, you know, this one is probably the best one because it tells you how to charge it, how to put the battery, you know, download the application. Couple stickers back here. Again, a couple other information in there. So I'm going to put this back in here. So to take this out, and again, here's where the GoPro is. But again, you know, I'm kind of astonished with this case right here because again, you know, I could put all my stuff in here. I do a lot of motorcycle vlogs and things like that, and I could bring it with me. But let's put this back in here. We have a UFC cable, it looks like, right here, right? And we have a battery. We have a mount, okay, mount right here. And we have the sticky part. If you have a motorcycle helmet, usually you use this. And obviously you have this thing right here. So that's pretty much all you have right there. And obviously you have the GoPro, which we're going to take it out and kind of give you a closer look right here. So again, that's pretty much everything we have. Let's remove this to give you a better look. And here's the GoPro 9. Really nice. Actually, it has a little bit of weight to it. I don't remember my GoPro 4 having that much weight. So again, a little bit bigger, but this is kind of what you get right here. So this is pretty much an unboxing of the Hero 9.
There you have it, guys. That's the GoPro Hero 9. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.